Well, hey there guys. So for today's video, I'm coming to you from my kitchen floor. And that is because there is one area of my kitchen, well, there's a couple areas that I'm still wanting to finish up when it comes to like living more minimally and intentionally when it comes to our kitchen space. But the one area I really have not ever touched is what's underneath my kitchen sink. And I know for a fact that there are things under there that we don't use anymore or we don't need anymore. And that is because there's like things from when we didn't like shop as naturally. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go through it, talk you through the process of what I'm thinking. I feel like it's a mess down there, but we'll see what exactly I have. Starting out, I gotta use my kids' lock. So this is what we're working with. There's a lot of random stuff in here. I think I'm just gonna take it all out and then like decide what goes back after I take it all out. I'm gonna wipe it down and stuff. So let's just take it all out first. Okay, to my surprise, it's like not actually very dirty in here at all. I'm just gonna wipe it down quick. This is everything that was underneath the kitchen sink that I'm working with. I'm gonna put back the things that I know for sure we will be keeping, and then we'll go through the other things. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna keep, this is my kids' little cleaning pail. It's by Melissa and Doug. They like to take this out, clean the windows and stuff, so for sure we will keep this. Garbage bags, obviously we still use those. I use this to wash my ring, so I'll definitely keep that. This is nasty, I'm gonna throw it away. It's like broken, I'm just gonna get rid of that. No, what is this? It's like a tiny itty bitty scrub brush on the one side. Yeah, we'll get rid of that. These are like the Pampered Chef scrapers that we use for our stones. I'm gonna get rid of some of these because I don't need them all. We have one and I'll probably just keep one more on hand. Just went and grabbed these from the garage because I knew that I had these to get rid of, or just figuring out like what to do with them. So I'm gonna take all of our extra walnut scrubbers that we have. We get some from the Grove. Pretty much every time you order, you get free ones. And then we also got these from Public Goods. An extra one of these in here. And then these are our cellulose sponges, which look like they are bad, but they're not at all. Once you get them wet, they just perk right back up and they're fine. These can go in the side here. Kind of put them like that. That works. Fancy me. Old magic erasers, I'm gonna throw those away. So there are a couple things in here that we have not switched over to like a natural option yet, whether it just be like cost-wise we haven't, or just because like honestly I haven't really researched into it yet. There's just like certain areas where I'm like, oh, maybe I should like look into that because it's probably not good for you, but I haven't. So one of those areas being dishwasher pods. I have not even really thought about switching these out, honestly. Just haven't yet, so it's probably something that I should look into, but I'm just not sure if like money-wise, if it makes sense for us. Okay, and then there are things like magic erasers, which I read about these not too long ago, I can't remember, that they're really not that great. Yes, I try to be as natural as possible in our home, but I am also not like, I don't freak out about every possible bad thing that something could have. And I remember that like I'm 26 years old, my parents didn't know any of the things that we know now, and I'm alive, I'm still okay. So I never use magic erasers as like a first resort. I actually find that like for cleaning off my walls, 99% of the time, a good old baby wipe will get it off, but occasionally there is something that just will not come off and the magic eraser is what works. And so I will keep those. It's just one of those things that's like, you know what? Sometimes it's the only thing that works, and so I will use it. Same goes for Goo Gone. Sometimes this is the only thing that will work. And so I'm going to keep that. These have never gotten used, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. This is my hand soap that I normally use. I need to order the refill for it, so I keep it though, because I ordered the big guy and just refill this. So it's just under here for now. I'm just gonna get rid of this because we don't ever use it, it just sits there. Again, just sits there, we don't use it. And again, just sits there, we don't use it. Jet dry is another thing that I have never researched. You would think with all the things that I have researched that I'd be particular about what my dishes are cleaned with. Yep, just haven't ventured there yet. So for now, I will keep this until I do some more research and find out what the heck. I feel like there's gotta be some kind of DIY thing. If you know of something, like there has to be something that's like super simple that you can put where the jet dry goes that works just as well. If you guys know what it is, let me know. I have an extra hand soap, extra dish soap. These came with my Grove Collaborative orders. If you guys are interested in Grove products, I will link them down below for you. but we'll put those there. I usually use Public Goods dish soap the most though, so that's kind of like just my backup just in case. And then hand soap, we have 3 bathrooms in our house, so it gets used at some point. This is toilet bowl cleaner. Seems like a weird place to keep it, but we have a half bath downstairs, and so I just keep it down here so that we can just grab it and use it. This is something new that I got from Grove Collaborative. I haven't gotten to test it out yet, but it is a more natural option for cleaning up pet stains, you know, if they accidentally pee or throw up or whatever in your house. You can try this. I haven't used it yet, but I'll let you guys know how it works. Handy dandy thieves spray. This is what I use for like 85% of my cleaning now, I would say. This is just like the refill because you're supposed to dilute it. And then this is an extra bottle that I have not made yet, but I'm gonna make a special solution for like more hard to clean areas. I have SOS pads. These are not vegan and we've had them for a really long time. I will actually probably get rid of these, not because like I'm not gonna waste them, but because of the fact that we use cast iron all the time and you can't even use these on there anyway. So that's pretty much all we cook with now. So I'm just gonna be rid of these. Swiffer 360, I'm gonna go put this in the front closet because it will probably actually get used if it's there and not underneath my sink. I didn't even realize that I still had a multi-purpose cleaner, like a regular one. I'm probably gonna go put this upstairs underneath the my kids' bathroom, just so we have something in there to use if we need to, because I don't wanna just throw it away. So I'll put it under their sink. Okay, I have to pick up the camera to talk about this one. I've been looking for this thing. So it is a reusable clean sweep, it's a lint roller. It's a reusable lint roller where you literally use it, then you just rinse it off underneath the water in the sink and then pat it dry, and you can reuse it again. So these things like really work. I had a huge set. I had a big one, I have a travel one, and then I have this one, and I was looking for this one. And apparently it was under my sink. It's been located now. And then I have a scrub brush, which I'm still going to keep. Okay, so this is the after. It does not look the prettiest, but it's practical because I just put all the stuff that we use regularly up front. So extra scrubbing brushes, our dishwasher pods, which are obviously pulled out the most, then the spray, I have this bottle which I still need to fill and make my DIY mix, and then my toilet bowl cleaner. So back here is the kids cleaning stuff we can pull out. Back here's like scrubbing brushes, our little closure for our sink, the Goo Gone, and then we have our like little overstock area over here. I just put the jet dry in the back corner because you don't fill it every single time you're in the dishwasher, so it doesn't get pulled out very often at all. And then this is everything that we're getting rid of. This belonged to Bath & Body Works candles, which I don't buy anymore, so I'll probably just donate that. And then this is all the stuff that's getting rehomed. This is gonna go back in the garage since I didn't use it. And then that's gonna go upstairs to the girls' room, and these are going to go into my actual cleaning closet. And then I almost forgot this right here. It is just an extra mouth wipe for my Great Dane. We let him drink water outside, and so then we wash his mouth off when he comes in. This is nasty now, and you can see why we don't have him drink in the house. I think it looks a lot better. I'm pretty happy with it. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you have under your kitchen sink? And also let me know, are you a minimalist and still like a bulk shopper? Because we definitely are. I know that when it comes to some minimalists and like consumables, food, cleaning supplies, those kinds of things, they only buy them when they need them, but I'm definitely not like that. I am more of a purchase like in large bulk because usually it ends up saving money in the long run. And that's why, you know, under my sink I have a bunch of sponges and stuff like that. And then also give me your pointers for like more natural options for dish detergent and jet dry that are money friendly, because that's the thing is, you know, my husband is all about, he understands like that things are not good for you and there are a lot of harmful ingredients. However, he is very, very frugal, and his frugalness definitely kind of takes like first seat sometimes, not always, sometimes, to like ingredients and stuff and things. And so it would have to make sense money-wise or be very close money-wise to buying like normal dishwasher pods. But anywho, I am going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.